Your instrument cluster display provides important information about systems and features. It also lets you customize a whole range of preferences. You'll find it on the instrument panel. Use the steering wheel controls to browse the menus and submenus. Push the up and down arrow buttons to scroll. Push the right arrow button to select. To reset the displayed information, push and hold the OK button for 2 seconds. The left arrow button takes you back to a previous menu. You can learn more about vehicle information, fuel economy, warning message displays, tire pressure, driver assistance features if equipped, trip functions, and much more. You can even adjust the display's appearance. For example, you can customize the information that appears in the display's upper corners and bottom center area. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.